what's up guys? Welcome to Mishqa's cooking and baking channel. So today we'll be doing some flapjacks. I got this recipe from a very close friend of mine and I would like to share this with you guys. Okay, so the ingredients is 1 1/4 cup of cake flour, a tablespoon of sugar, obviously this is at the end, 1 cup of milk. We are going to separate the eggs. So get 2 bowls and separate your eggs with the yolks and with the egg whites. Okay, we got baking powder and vanilla essence. Okay, so you don't really have to sift the flour, but it's optional. So we're going to put in 1 1/4 cup of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, guys. It's like the last. Obviously for the fluffy so it can rise. And then we're just going to give that a bit of a stir. So we're going to put the vanilla essence in just 1 teaspoon or even half a teaspoon. I just do 1 of vanilla essence into the egg yolks. We're just gonna stir that up. Okay, we need to have a bowl. And we're going to put this in a bigger bowl because we're going to put our milk in. Egg yolks. So we're going to transfer our milk into our egg yolks, vanilla essence, and give that a nice stir. Okay, so we're going to whisk the egg whites. To be stuffed beets. Let me make sure of that. Okay. So this is basically at the end to make it nice and fluffy. So I just want to get all the egg yolk. So we're gonna add our yolk and milk mixture into the dry ingredients. We're going to whisk that by hand. Just keep whisking until all the lumps are gone. Until we get a smooth and nice texture. You can do it manually with your hand or you can do it with the mixer, but I prefer doing it by hand. Okay, here we have our smooth mixture. Okay, lastly we are going to fold in our egg whites. Sure. not all at once though. This creates the fluffiness into the pancake, into the flapjack, sorry. Because you want that nice, airy, fluffy pancake. How your batter should look, nice and airy. Okay, so we're going to bake them now in a pan. Make sure your pan is nice and hot. Okay, so we are at our final part of this video, and we're just going to basically decorate our flapjacks. So 12 flapjacks came out of the batter, so you can use anything. You can use ice cream, cream, whatever you prefer. Okay, so I'm just gonna drop some ice cream in the middle. Okay. I'm going to add our strawberries or fruit. You can decide whatever you would like. You can either use Nutella or some normal syrup, maple syrup, golden syrup, whatever you like. Fresh berries. How to make flapjacks. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.